Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So in last class we learned some formulas, maybe remember about the cardinal number n of a union b, n of a intersection b, n of only a, remember? Now today, and also we solved some problems, basic problems we solved in the last class. So we are going to solve some statement problem. Out of these problems, okay, non problem is okay, around 5 to 6 problems we'll get one question sure for 3 marks, 100% sure for 3 marks. Very easy to answer all these questions using Venn diagram and the formulas. But there is a procedure to answer these type of questions, so observe carefully that I will explain. In a group of 70 people, 35 like coffee, 52 like tea, each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? So yeah, nodi kuda answer madanta ansuತ್ತೆ, direct answer bariyo chances ಇದೆ, but you should not directly write the answer. You should write, okay, solution in this pattern. Observe this carefully. Solution is as follows. You first mention some set, okay, coffee, tea antidella C anta koda, number of people like coffee. This will be the number of people like coffee. Tea and number of people like tea. So first mention the two sets. Now write down what is given. Enella kottidare n of C kottiyare alva 37, n of T nu kottiyare 52. Each person like at least one of the two drinks ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, it's a n of C union T. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, that number will be C union T. How many people like both coffee and tea? So what we have to find out? To find out n of C intersection T. So this we have to find out. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Venn diagram use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ because intersection is missing. Venn diagram you can use only when you know the intersection. So use a formula. What we know? N of C union T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. Okay, so C union T kottiyare 70. This is also known 37, 52, and this is required. Correct? So 70 minus, or you can write like this. Therefore, direct n of C intersection T is equal to 87 alva, 50 plus 30, 89, sorry, 89 minus 70 andre 19. So 19 people like both coffee and tea. 19 people like both coffee and tea for this particular problem. Venn diagram use ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ because C intersection T is missing. If it is given, then Venn diagram is easy. I'll show you in the next coming problems. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. You should mention what is C and T. You should write what is given, what is required, and what is the formula you know, and substitute and simplify. You will get the answer. Got it? Very good. Okay, next question. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only, not cricket, and how many likes tennis? Idu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಇದೆ, observe ಮಾಡಿ. In a group of 65 people, don't decide anything about that now. So solution will start like this by writing the two set. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ C ಮತ್ತೆ T ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ. So number of people like cricket. Okay, and T represent number of people like tennis. Okay, now write down what is given. What is given? N of C kottiyara, n of C is given. How much? 40. Bere en kottiyare 10 like both cricket and tennis andre n of C intersection T is given. So this is for this particular problem Venn diagram is better. Okay, C intersection T is given. Correct? Very good. So what is required to find? Enella find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How many like tennis only andre n of only T. This we have to find out, as well as how many like tennis and n of tennis, n of T. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, so here I'm not using a formula, I'm using the Venn diagram because Venn diagram is better than formula here because we know intersection part. Okay, this is universal set, this is C, this is T. In kottiyare number of people like both cricket and tennis and that 10. So this should be 30. Correct? Total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 65. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 25 ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 65 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ 65 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 65 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 55 30. ಸೊ ಓವರ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಇದೇನು ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ Enough only tennis ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25. Enough only tennis. If I complete this shading like this, ಇದನ್ನು include ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Enough tennis ಅಂದ್ರೆ 35. That's it. See, formula ಬೇಡ, simplification ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Venn diagram ಬರೀರಿ, ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ enough only tennis in the 25 because only tennis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ನವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ನವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3 marks ಗೆ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀದೆ ಖಾಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್, ಓಕೆ, 2 marks. This carries 2 marks. But remember, only this if you write you will not get 2 marks. Answer ಇದ್ದು ಇದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಖಾಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you will lose a marks. With this, if answer is present, then you will get 3 marks. Understood? Yeah, very good. Next. Okay, next question. In a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea, 225 taking coffee, 100 were taking both tea and coffee. So find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Little different compared to the previous problem. So solution will be as follows. Observe carefully. First mention the two sets. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರೋದು ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಿ ಎಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಫಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟಿ. ಹಾ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now write down what is given. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? In a school 150 students were found to be taking tea ಅಂದ್ರೆ n of t ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು? 150. 225 taking coffee, n of c is equal to 225. 100 were taking both tea and coffee. This problem will be easy because intersection part is known. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Andre, yeah, we have to find out. Can you tell me what is this? N of C union T complement. N of C union T complement. This is nothing but N of universal minus N of C union T. Idu concept. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೌ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಈಸಿಯಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. This is C, this is T, this, okay, universal set is given. Intersection part is known, andre 100 is known, okay. So n of T is 150 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು because 100 already ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. N of C ಅಂದ್ರೆ 225 andre 125 n of C ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That's it. Now what is the answer? What is the union? Here universal set, it contain 600 students. So this is 600 minus union is 125 plus 100 plus 50. Correct? So this is 600 minus 225, 275. And 325 is the answer. That's it. See? Very easily, without any difficulty. Formula ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? Now I am going to solve one very important problem compared to the previous 3. ಈ particular problem na exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ for 3 marks. Little lengthier than the previous because here we have 3 sets, 3 different sets. So read the question. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read both H and T, 8 read both T and I, 3 read only 3 newspaper, all the 3 newspapers. Okay, let's Hindustan Times, Times of India, Indian Express ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, first question, number of people who read at least one of the newspaper and the union of the 3. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Okay, so I will show you how to answer this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ writing work ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ compared to the previous 3 problem because there are 3 sets ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H T I ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. H is equal to set of number of people read newspaper H, newspaper H. ಅದೇ ತರ T same. Okay, number of people read newspaper T. I represent number of people read newspaper I. ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ, number of people ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, So to write down what is given. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, n of h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾರಾ ನೋಡಿ, n of h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾರಾ. It was found that 25 people read newspaper h. N of h is given. N of t is given. Yeah. N of I is also given, right? It is 26. Yes, very good. Then n of 9 read both h and I, and h intersection I 9. N of 11 h intersection t, both 11 h and t 11. N of 8 read both t and I, right? 3 read all the 3 newspapers, andre n of h intersection t intersection I is equal to 3. What is asked? To find the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. At least one of the newspaper andre no, h of union, c union, t union, I. At least andre one of the andre union anta consider madabo. So this is required. As well as this is the first question actually. Second one, the newspaper, number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Okay, that are the example like the problem solution alli explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now we have to write the Venn diagram. Remember, this is a little big Venn diagram because there are 3 sets. So ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ 3 intersection ಆಗಿರಲಿ like this, h, t and I. So whenever you are filling this Venn diagram, you have to start from the 3 part, which is a part which is common to all the 3. So the number 8 3 illinda start madಬೇಕು. This is a common to all the 3 sets, h, t and I. Okay, next fill the intersection part. H intersection I 9, h intersection I 9 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 6. h intersection t 11 andre ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ 8. t intersection I is 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 already ಇದೆ, 5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ all the 3 common part which is common to all the 3. Next you have to fill the part which is common to two sets. Now fill the remaining part using this, using n of h, n of t and n of I. So n of h is 25 already 11 plus 17 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 25 17 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು 26, n of t is 26, 11 plus 5 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. n of I is also 26, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 plus 14 12 14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 plus 14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 plus 14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? 12 18 21 26, perfect. Fill. The Venn diagram is completed. Now use this Venn diagram to answer the first question. n of h union t union I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the union of all the 3 sets. So 16 19 25 30 40 52 ಹೌದಾ? 16 19 25 30 40 52. So 52 people like to read all the 3 newspaper. Not all, okay, at least one of the newspaper. This is answer to first question. Second question, number of people who read exactly one news, only one newspaper. And news read only Hindustan Times, Times of India and Indian Express. So ಯಾವ shaded number ಮಾತ್ರ add ಮಾಡಿ. So number of people exactly. So answer to second question is 8 plus 10 plus 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 22 30. So answer is 30. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So number of people who read exactly one newspaper, H, T and I, 8 plus 10 plus 12, 20 plus 12 sorry. Okay, 18 plus 12, so that 22 plus 8 is 30. So right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? See, diagram important, this pattern is important. We should write what is given and what is required and use a Venn diagram to complete this work. Formally use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but this is the best method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, next question of 3 sets. Question is like this. In a survey it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 like product B, 29 like product C. If 14 people like product A and B, 12 people like product C and 14 people like product B and C, and 8 like all the 3 products. Find how many like product C only. See, last problem observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು. So you have to write the first the 3 sets. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? In a survey it was found that 21 people like product A. So A is equal to people who like product A. Okay, ಅದೇ ತರ B, ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು product B, C same ಬರೆಯೋದು product C. Write down what are the given data. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What is given? 21 people like product A, so n of A is equal to 21, n of B is equal to 26, n of C is equal to 29. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Now 14 people like both A and B, and A intersection B equal to 14. Next illide nodi 14. 12 people like product C and A, 12, and 14 people like product B and C, 14 alva. Yes. What does this represent? Like all the three products, n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 8. All the three products. So how many people like only product C? See, for this very easy method is Venn diagram. So after this you write down directly Venn diagram and you can write the conclusion immediately after that. Venn diagram baril gottide alva? A, B, C, three sets. A, B, C. This is a universal set. Since intersection part is given, so you have to start from this 8. Next A intersection B is to 14 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು 6. C intersection A is 12 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು 4. B intersection C 14 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು 6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ n of A 21 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 18 ಆಗಿದೆ, so only 3. 26 12 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾ. Yes. Next n of C 29 18 ಆಗಿದೆ, 18 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 10 plus 18 29 ಬರಬೇಕು. 29 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 11 over. And what is us? How many people like only product C? Therefore the number of people like only ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? only product C is 11. that's it, is 11. finish. See, no formula, nothing, but write this properly and write the Venn diagram, fill the numbers properly, you'll get the answer. So answer is only C is 11. So that's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೆನಪಿನಿ. So next question, a college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, 20 in cricket. If these medals went to the total of 58 men and only 3 men got the medals in all the 3 sports, how many received medals in exactly 2 out of 3 sports? So this is little difficult. I'll show you how to answer that. Another given data, a college awarded 38 medals in football. Okay, so let me consider F as the medals. Okay, in football, medals in football. Okay, then ಏನಿದೆ basketball B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, medals in basketball. And last one is cricket, medals the students got in cricket. Okay, 3 set problem. Correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ, it is a 3 set problem. Okay, college awarded 38 medals in football. Okay, 15 in basketball. So n of F is given 38 football ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 15 in ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ basketball ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 20 in cricket. If these medals went to the total of 58 men, that is n of F union B union C is equal to 58 men. Only 3 men got all the 3 medals, andre n of F intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. How many, read the question carefully, how many received medals in 2 out of 3 sports? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ F ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B ಯೂನಿಯನ್ C is equal to n of F n of B n of C alva minus n of F intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection F plus n of F intersection B intersection C. Okay, write the one Venn diagram for this formula. Okay, you have to consider 3 sets. I'll take this as A, this is B, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, yeah, this is A, sorry, this is football, basketball and cricket. Artha aita ishtu? So this is in diagram formula. Now I have to use both, so we'll substitute ಮಾಡಿ. What is A? F intersection B? F intersection B is A plus D, correct? Then minus, or we write plus only, B intersection C, B intersection C, B F intersection B ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, this part B intersection C andre D plus B, correcta? Plus next F intersection C, C plus D, plus here outside D andre no 3. So it is 58 equal to, it is 58, okay, 58 plus 15 minus so let's tell D 1 2 3, so A plus B plus C plus 3 into D plus 3. So idu cancel agate, so idu 0 equal to 18 minus A plus B plus C plus 9, correcta? So yeah, it is A plus B plus C is equal to 18 each bandirate, so okay, minus cancel, minus 9. So answer is A plus B plus C is equal to 9. What is A plus B plus C? This region is represent what? Exactly 2. Exactly 2. Exactly 2. So we got how many of them will receive exactly 2 out of 3 sports, right? A plus B plus C. So answer is 9. Answer is 9. It actually worked out problem. ನಾನು ಪುನಃ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೌ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.